Let's dive into the intriguing world of hair growth with a unique method, using Vaseline and onion juice. This might sound odd, but it could be your ticket to longer, healthier hair. Stay tuned for some valuable insights and a sprinkle of humor. If you find this useful or entertaining, don't forget to like, comment, and share. The benefits of Vaseline. Vaseline, or petroleum jelly, has several benefits for hair. 1. Moisture retention. It locks in moisture, preventing hair breakage. 2. Scalp protection. It protects the scalp from dryness and environmental damage. 3. Split end prevention. It helps prevent split ends, maintaining hair length and strength. The magic of onions. Onions are rich in 1. Sulfur, essential for keratin, the protein that makes up hair. 2. Antioxidants, protect hair follicles from damage. 3. Improve circulation, boost blood flow to the scalp. 4. Antimicrobial properties, keeps the scalp healthy and infection-free. Combining Vaseline and onion juice. Here's how to use them together. 1. Prepare the onion juice. Peel, grate, and squeeze out the juice from an onion. 2. Mix with Vaseline. Blend a teaspoon of Vaseline with the onion juice. 3. Application. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots. 4. Let it sit. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight with a shower cap. 5. Rinse thoroughly. Wash your hair well with a mild shampoo. The potential drawbacks. 1. Strong smell. Onion juice has a potent odor. 2. Greasy residue. Vaseline can be tough to wash out. 3. Allergic reactions. Some people might be allergic to onions or Vaseline. Always do a patch test first. Encouraging interaction. Have you tried this hack? Did it work, or was it a smelly mess? Share your experiences in the comments. If you're planning to try it, let us know how it goes. Remember, hair growth takes time and patience. This method isn't a miracle, but with consistent use, you might see longer, stronger hair. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Happy hair growing!